Use the button located in the toolbar to export the current table to Microsoft Excel. Make a selection within the graphical model in order to export single parts of the model. If you would like to export multiple tables at once, open the Export option under the File menu and select the Excel format. In the next window, define which tables to export. In this example, the stairway structure data is sent to an existing Excel template parts list. Not all model data is necessary, but only nodes, materials, cross-sections and members. In addition, the Design Support Forces result table will be exported as well. Choose only the Selected Objects option, and further export the selected tables to the active Excel file. Select Export to begin the process. This workflow allows you to save and modify all of your Dlubal model information in external applications.